David Bahnsen, the market survived the Brexit and is actually trading up from there. We're back near record highs. But you advise investors to be cautious. Why is that?
It's just a valuation story. We think that things have gotten a bit frothy. So much money has come out of the low yields of bonds. They're looking for higher yield, rationally so, but they're pouring into telecom, utilities, consumer staples, pushing prices up. We just want to be careful.
Well, one stock you like is Blackstone. It's down a little bit over 10% so far in 2016, but the financials have done very well during earnings season. We saw Goldman do well, JP Morgan. What about Blackstone attracts you?
We like the fact that it is so beaten down. It's down double digits on the year. It's paying over an 8% yield and has such a significant dry powder. As an asset manager, they have over $80 billion they can deploy into distressed assets. So they're a best of breed name. We like the low valuation, which is hard to find right now.
You also like enterprise products. Now the MLPs, this is a pipeline player, sold off last year, but this is having a great year this year. It's up around 15 or 16% so far in 2016. Still pays a nice dividend, over 5%. Tell me about this one.
The key story of the enterprise is dividend growth. 57 quarters in a row now that they have increased the dividend as of last week. It is up about 50% from its bottom this year, up, like you said, about 15% year to date. Natural gas liquids. It's not a crude oil play. It's an NG story. We love it.
All right. Finally, LyondellBasell. This is a petrochemical maker. It's having a so-so year. It's actually down around 10%. Pays a nice dividend, though, about 4%, a little over 4%. Tell me why you want to take some of that money from the frothy stuff and put it into this one.
LyondellBasell was trading at $96 in October. It's now at $76, and we've seen market recovery, and yet its free cash flows are growing. Its dividend is around 4.4%, and if you look at the dividend growth over the last 3 years, they've grown at about 30% per year. Phenomenal name, a lot of risk around the price of natural gas liquids, but great margins to grow into the future, so we're willing to come back in at these prices.
All right, well, thanks a lot, David.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching The Street.